Today's topic is money market instrument. As you know, money market is a market for short-term instruments, short-term securities whose maturity period is less than 1 year. First instrument is treasury bills. These are short-term promissory notes issued by RBI on behalf of central government, basically to bridge the gap between the revenue and the expenditure. It is usually issued at discount for a specified period, that is for 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. Here the government promises to pay a specific amount to the bearer at the time of maturity only. It does not carry any regular interest payment as it is issued at discount. The difference between the purchase power and the face value is the return from the earned from buying the tertiary bill. The major participants in tertiary bill market include RBI, central bank, state government, financial institution, primary dealer, provident fund, corporate customers, mutual funds, foreign banks, financial institutional investors, public, etc. State government and commercial bank are the major users for tertiary bills other than any other participants. Tertiary bills are important money market instrument used by government to raise fund. These are zero risk instrument as it is secured by the government. They are negotiable instruments. At present, the Government of India issues 3 types of tertiary bills, that is for 91 days, 182 days and 364 days bill. The minimum amount of tertiary bill starts with 25,000. Next is major advantages of T-bill, that is tertiary bills. It is helpful in effective cash management for the government. It is also an important tool for the central government for market checking and also to control liquidity. Tertiary bills are short-term investment opportunities as their maturity period is for the less than 1 year. The yield is assured and risk is zero, means return is assured and risk is zero as these instruments are secured by government. There are highly liquid and there exists an active secondary market as treasury bills can be traded in secondary market. This market is highly liquid. The transaction cost is also very low. No tax is deducted at the time of maturity from tertiary bills. Commercial bank can maintain their SLR, statutory liquidity ratio and CRR, cash reserve ratio requirement by using this T-bill. These are the advantages of tertiary. Is call money. Call or notice money is a loan for very short period, that is for 1 day to 14 days. The loan is repayable on demand by the lender or the borrower. Call money is also known as money at call. Call money is a market where short-term surplus fund of commercial bank and other financial institutions are traded. This call money market is a highly liquid market. In call money market, if money is lent for 1 day, it is called call money, and it is also known as money at call or overnight money. If it is lent for 14 days, then it is known as notice money or short notice. The major participants in call money market are banks, both scheduled commercial banks, excluding RRBs, and cooperative banks other than land development banks, and primary dealer include both the borrowers and lender. Here the major participant is the scheduled commercial bank in the call money market. Next is certificate of deposits. Certificate of deposit is a negotiable money market instrument issued in a dematerialized format. Dematerialized format means these are not issued in a physical certificate format. These are converted into electronic certificate, online e-certificate format. It is prepared or sent for the funds deposited at the bank or with other financial institution for a specific period of time. It is usually issued at a discount. It is a debt instrument which is freely negotiable freely negotiable. It is issued by bank or other financial institution against the deposit kept by the individual, companies and institution. It is a document with the similar title of time deposit. It is also known as negotiable certificate of deposit. It is issued for the maturity period of 7 days to 1 year. If a certificate of deposit is issued by bank, its maturity period ranges from 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. Next is advantages for certificate of deposit. It is most convenient instruments for the depositor as it deals with short-term fund and a surplus amount, huge return is earned from this. Next is CD also offers maximum liquidity as they are freely transferable from one person to another. Next is it deals with instruments for the banks with short-term maturity. Next one is its interest rate is high. Investors hold this certificate of the deposit till its maturity period. Here there is no active secondary market, so liquidity is comparatively less than other instruments, but maximum liquidity can be earned as it is freely transferable and endorsement by endorsement and delivery. So these are the few advantages for certificate of deposit.